Hi friends, let me show you the new dog seat belts that I received. Okay, this is Peggy. This one is aimed to get your pet and use it like a regular leash. It is flexible. And you can put this part, when you put your dog in the car, you can put this part in any headrest. Okay, so the dog could walk a little bit in the car, but don't go away. This other one, you put your pet like that, and you can put this in the buckle of your car. Wherever you buckle up, this standard end will get in the buckle and be tight. I am going to show it to you. Or put it with this in any other part of the car that you think it's secure. You put this here, so your pet is safe whenever it's buckled up, okay? So you get these two options. One that is doubles as a leash, but both are aimed to get your pet safely in your car while it's riding with you. Okay, so let's try it. Friends, let me show you. Here we have the two options. Okay, first, I want to show you this one that you can put it in the regular buckle of the car. Okay, it will work as a regular seatbelt, so your dog or your pet will be able to move around but safely secure here. And the other one, you can put it in the headrest like this, and also your pet can move around, but it will be secure here. Okay, so let me bring my pets to show you. Let's keep this one here. Okay, this is Milo, and you can see he is now in the car. He can move around. Ven, Milo. Ven. But he's secure and safe with this seatbelt. Choco. This is Choco. Choco is going to use the one with the headset, with the headrest. Okay, so as you can see, well, Choco wants to go away. Choco. Okay, so he's here. He wants to move, but we have it here. Okay, so as you can see, if he jumped from the car and he didn't have this safety belt, maybe I will have to be running to get him. And this one doubles as a regular leash, so I can take him with me whenever I want. Let me show you. This one doubles as a regular leash. Okay, so I think this is a great of bringing your pets with you when you are going out for a ride. Perfect.